galing kay Matutina ko. So sweet, guys. Okay na yun naman itong buksan, guys. So, ganda naman ang balot. Wow. So sweet. Ng aking Matutina. Lip balm from Sephora. Look at this, guys. Wow, meron pa siyang ganito. Paano ito buksan, nak? Ayun. Paano to?
This is wonderful.
Oh.
So I'm enjoying the and this is very hot.
Ano ba
So
to?
I decided to put the fan on. You can see. I enjoy
Sarap niya, be.
air. Wow.
Wow, ang bango.
Now sitting in our living room. We have put one.
Ang
Okay.
sarap sa lips.
Yo.
Ganda, guys.
Just enjoy.
Konti lang.
The
Bukas na.
reference from Abadi. Yeah, from Abadi. Abadi, our
Ganda.
friend.
Thank you, anak. I love
Thank you so much,
you.
Abadi. I enjoy the air.
Love you so much.
Look.
Look at this, guys. Oh, hindi siya mawawala.
Very, very good.
Diba?
The air is just coming up.
Nakakasipora na si mama. Thank you. Love you.
Abadi, Abadi, Abadi. Every time you're going to put on this fan, you shall be remembering Abadi.